So welcome to Gracie Jiu-Jitsu Ilkley. Today we're looking at our principles videos, and today we're going to be covering the frame principle. So we've got Alan to help us out. So we're going to talk about some frames from standing. So basically the frame principle is any time we're substituting muscular strength, and we're going to be using our skeletal bone structure as a substitute for that, because this person might be bigger, heavier and stronger. And again, if Alan's maybe trying to push me, or trying to reach for my head, or he's trying to throw a strike, if I'm just trying to stop him with strength, he could be a lot stronger. He could be trying to bear hug me, for example. He's a lot stronger. How can we use frames to prevent this? How can we put our own frame, our own body in place, and use that skeletal bone structure to stop that? So again, maybe Alan's going for a bear hug, for example. I can use a frame to prevent that. Maybe he's going to go for a strike. Let's just angle around this way, please. And maybe he goes for a strike. He's trying to bear hug and do anything from there. Again, look, I'm using my frames. I'm using my skeletal bone structure, as our instructor Daniel likes to call it. We're putting our bones in the way. So again, if Alan's trying to bear hug me or whatever from here, it's difficult. Same thing, I'm trying to de-escalate a situation, throws a strike. Again, I'm using my frames. So again, many examples and many ways where you can use the frames, both standing on the floor, but again, always think about how you can utilize, your frame, the body structure and skeletal bone structure that you have as a substitute, for their muscular strength and power.